Cardib dropped her new song on Friday called Bongos, but it seems as though she might face legal action against her. Artist Lincoln 3 Dots might end up suing her for copying his song Bang. If you don't know Lincoln 3 Dots, he used to date the owner and CEO of Cookie Wash Star Dawkins, who was also allegedly said to be Lincoln's cousin.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
If you listen to both songs, you will hear the hook part of Cardi B's song is similar to Lincoln's. You can check out Cardi B's song on her Vivo channel, and I will leave a link to Lincoln 3 Dots song in the description. Artiste Denyque have been coming under heavy backlash after she wore a shirt with the unruly boss's face on it, eating a watermelon with her song Between Me and You playing in the background. It seems like the reason why Popcaan is answering her and telling her about her mother is alleged that he dated her a couple of years back. I don't know how true this is, but Denyque is now separated from her husband, and for some reason word on the street is that Popcaan might be the reason. If you check out my TikTok page, you will see Popcaan has made a diss track about Denyque, and of course Denyque made her second diss track Watermelon, which has been going viral on TikTok. You can see a snippet of both track in my description. Denyque has been posting a lot of subliminals on her Instagram dissing Popcorn, but I don't see the same energy being shown to Kai Hyla, who had dissed Popcorn and say he liked ass. Kai Hyla did say a lot of things about Popcorn on her TikTok live, not to mention that she was dating him for years now.
No, me say, him like batty business, and that me say me not take it back because of the truth.
Wow.
Me say, him love batty business, and that me say. That is what I said. You know batty, like batty
Lord God.
bottom. If a man try to push her back.
She also went on Shelly and Curran's show and talk about Denyque. This is what was said.
Denyque had a shirt with Popcaan eating a melon. Put up the picture. Right? Wait. And then then there was a caption that says, somebody's son. And then under the melon, it said me.
Oh.
You see the problem?
I don't really see the problem. She was just trying to tell us something, I guess. I don't know.
What do you think she was telling us?
She's just telling us that she wants to get eaten like a melon.
But why Popcaan face?
Probably she wants him to. I don't know. I don't.
Do you think there's a relationship there? Do you think Popcaan touched Denyque?
I don't know.
Is it possible?
I mean, it's not impossible. It's not impossible.
You had some accusations on social media that he did some. Play the video when she said the why oh, that one. Play the video.
Him for telling us him love batty, that him for telling you. And that him for telling us stop lie to un about him a why out. Him for telling us him a freak. And that him for telling you. But why?
Drink up. Yes. So the video would suggest that Popcaan might have done the little freaky things then where Denyque could sing about.
Well, I mean,
Because you were in a relationship.
yes,
You had sex,
yes,
intercourse,
lots of sex.
freaky sex.
Yeah, threesomes and everything.
And this is real because him why a lot.
Yes.
But him really why X?
He's just judgmental towards people, and you know.
But if he's doing it behind closed doors, that means he's not really judgmental. It's just an image.
I guess so. It's a facade.
So you think maybe Denyque was sending out a...
It's not impossible. He's not exclusive. He's in it, like he's in a lot of girls' DM. Like I was in Panama with my friend, and she was like, "Oh, I know him. He was in my DM too." Like he's not so exclusive. I don't know if nowadays, but back then, he was like in everybody's DM, like that kind of way. So
A question that I wanted to know: is he mean? Cause me I tell everybody say mean. What was he mean? Or you get things from him?
Well, I'm gonna be honest with you. He's very stingy, but in the last part, that was when we just start to get serious. Like in the start phase, like be more like let me pay for your groceries or let me do this or do that.
So much money you like it I get from him.
I don't want to disclose that information, but I guess we started to get more personal, and yeah.
I think you were in love.
did.
I think you were in love with him.
I don't think I was in love, but I think I like him. I did like him. I did like him, but he is very much of a person.
You can say it.
Yeah.
So why you say a person?
Well, why I said that because we have been talking for like years. We started talking since my 18, and this incident happened like when January gone. So it's been years, and I mean like there are times when he would just like try to belittle me with certain things, and then I look for see him big up other people who do the same thing like me. For example, like I used to do OnlyFans, but I still do OnlyFans, and there are times when he would actually like try to make me feel small, and then I'd be seeing him hanging out with porn stars. So
And the OnlyFans make money.
yes, but I mean like.
Woman dies after being rushed to Kingston Public Hospital. Natasha White, Jamaica Transport Company driver, was reported missing after it was said that she went to the Ivy Green Medical Facility on Ivy Crescent in Kingston. It was said that Natasha developed complications and was rushed to the Kingston Public Hospital and was pronounced deceased on arrival. She checked in the facility on Thursday, where she kept in contact with her son. She sent a text with a picture of her in the facility. Her family got concerned when they lost contact with her and sought answers at Ivy Green Medical. The doctor they spoke with told them she had been taken to KPH. Her mother, Nicole Sewell, still seeks answers as to what happened to her daughter. She also asked the doctor who had taken her, because she couldn't drive in that condition, and if it was an ambulance that rushed her to the doctor's response was no, and he doesn't know who took her to KPH. While Natasha was corresponding with her son through text message, she had messaged him and tell him she could see the spot where she parked her car. But when they went to the facility, the car was moved from the area to outside of the premises, and her keys was found on the street. 36 Haitians showed up on an oceanside in Lengthy Narrows, Portland, Jamaica last Saturday at 6 o'clock and were sent back to their country. The high speed at which the public authorities set up for a Jamaica Protection Power Coast Gatekeeper vessel to leave the island with the displaced people at 3 o'clock am on Sunday has procured the rage of Privilege's bunch opportunity imaginaries, who have blamed the organization for sending the Haitians home under the front of dimness, without fair treatment, in explicit dismissal of joint countries on warnings and worldwide regulation. As indicated by Opportunity Imaginaries pioneer Malene Alain, the public authorities' choice to return the Haitians without fair treatment might have been a purposeful work to obstruct their admittance to lawful help and data on their privileges. Alain, a lawyer, made the allegations in a letter. We are likewise worried that this choice could be characteristic of an arising strategy of draconian reactions to weak Haitian transients and an unlawful endeavor to prevent future progressions of Haitians to Jamaica, she said in the letter, a duplicate of which was seen by the Jamaica Observer.
The Haitians who showed up on Saturday were the second gathering to have arrived here, by means of boat, since July. The primary group of 37 are at present. During the time spent looking for refuge, it is accounted for that the Haitians who arrived on Saturday were at sea for about 14 days.
See Asian doll, your country still need us, but I guess no one saw this coming. Do you think the Coast Guard should have sent these Haitians back? Let me know your honest opinion. That's it for today's episode. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
drink a lot, somebody kind of half drunk, like nearly like really drunk. So the piss did white. It would be kind of white, like yellow. So the place never rank like that though, but the whole of the floor they wet up. The whole of the place they wet up. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, but me can't, you know, me don't know. It's what is it, you know. So him know happy said you piss him off. Me not think him care about that. Me not think him care about that. Why mother care? But them man want man when time your man a fuck and man say, baby, it's current you want piss and just bust a piss man for him man. Piss him up man. I mean if me piss man, me business about man if you want to know if I piss. Me not piss man, now himself is squirt. Me tell him say me have squirt, me dey promise him squirt water. I piss, me piss. Me no squirt, me no sell squirt water. Me no tank. So me no piss man. I piss man, I bust a piss for him, yes man. Yeah.